Okay, so good day everyone. I am the next reporter. So expressive. Expressive are a category of illusionary acts that primarily convey the speaker's feelings or attitude towards something. So expressive, it's a type of illocutionary act. Means they are action performed by speaking. So example, pag mag-thank you tayo sa isang tao, yung facial expression natin is masaya. Kung mag-sorry naman tayo sa isang tao, yung facial expression natin is sad. So expre that's the expressive. Next, we move to declaration. Declaration is a type of speech act where the utterance itself brings about a change in the institutional state of affair. So the declaration are a type of speech act where simply saying the words actually causes a change in the real world. The speaker must, but in here, the speaker must have the proper authority or role. So example, the situation must be an institutional or official context like courtroom, a wedding, or a game. So example, a judge saying, I hereby sentence you to 5 years prison. So that's the first example. That's that's a example in declaration. Second example of second example is example pag maglaro tayo ng basketball, mag-announce yung referee pag may foul. You're disqualified. So that's also example. Exa and lastly, pag ikakasal, then a priest declaring, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. So ganun. Yun yung declaration. The Aristotle model of communication, it is broadly divided into 5 primary elements, which is the speaker, speech, occasions, audience, and effect. So speaker, ito yung the first one. So as we all know, the speaker, it is the person who delivers the message. In the message, this is the most important element is in Aristotle model. The second one is the speech. It is the content or the message that the speaker delivers. Next one is the occasion. It is the occasion is the context or situation in which the speech is given. Examples in a ceremony, debate, or celebration. Next one is the audience. It is the group of people who listen to the speech. So, ito yung mga listener. Next one is the effect. It is the result or the impact the speech has on the audience. Example is persuasion, motivation, and action. Kung may natutunan ba sila, may na kung so no so example, if may natutunan ba sila sa speaker. So that's the So in Aristotle communication model, it has 3 elements of ethos, logos, and pathos. It provides a solid guide for speaker to effectively communicate their message and persuade their audience. So ethos, ano nga ba yung ethos? Ethos is the credibility. It is the speaker's trustworthiness or authority. If the audience believes that the speaker is reliable, they are more likely to be persuaded. Next one is the pathos. Pathos is the emotion. It is appealing to the audience emotion to influence their response. Okay? So next one is the logos, which is the logos, which is so next one is the logos, which is a logic, using a clear reasoning, evidence, and facts to make the argument convincing. So that's all for my report. The next reporter will be